How to screen record on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can screen record on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, screen recording on Android is fairly simple. The first way you can do this is if you have a default screen recorder already. So you don't have to download any third-party apps, but your phone provides a screen recorder, especially on Samsung and MIUI, they provide you this. But it also depends upon, sometimes let's say that you don't have these kinds of screen recording option in your device. You can try to look for them in the quick panel settings, and this is especially normal, especially with budget phones. If you're using a budget Android phone, you don't get the inbuilt screen recorder by default, which in that case you'll have to download a third-party screen recorder app. And one of the ones that I personally use is X Recorder over here. There are also many options out there, by the way, which could be, let's say, AZ screen recorder. And of course, this video is not sponsored by this recorder or something like that. I'm just showing you from a daily day-to-day basis. You can open the X Recorder application available on your Google Play Store for free, and then you'll be able to download them. Give it all the necessary permissions like this. Once you allow all the necessary permissions, just come back and then allow the permissions. And now what I would always recommend you do is you always check the settings. So you can tap the gear icon here, you can look for the audio settings, video settings, and then you can begin recording your screen in that way. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically screen record on Android. But if your phone has a default screen recorder, always try to use it instead of using third-party apps. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.